Today, we're diving into the Office Factor Rolling Stool. It's a versatile piece of furniture suitable for a variety of settings. With its classic design and black faux leather upholstery, it seamlessly fits into any professional environment, whether it's a salon, spa, medical office, or even your home workspace. The PU leather is not only durable but also easy to clean, which is a huge plus in any busy setting. The stool stands at a comfortable height of 26.5 inches, making it suitable for various tasks. One standout feature is its mobility. Equipped with non-scratch wheels, you can easily move around without worrying about damaging your floors. The swivel function adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to reach different areas without straining yourself. It's especially handy for professionals who need to move around frequently during appointments or tasks. Assembly is straightforward, and you'll find yourself enjoying the stool's comfort in no time. The round shape of the seat provides ample support, promoting good posture during long hours of sitting. Plus, weighing in at just 8.9 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry around if needed. However, there are a couple of points to note. While the frame material is sturdy, some users might prefer a different finish than the grade provided. Additionally, although the stool is advertised as height adjustable, the range might not be sufficient for all users' preferences. Overall, the Office Factor Rolling Stool is a reliable addition to any workspace. Its combination of durability, mobility, and comfort makes it a valuable asset for professionals seeking ergonomic solutions. Whether you're a doctor, esthetician, or artist, this stool has got your back, quite literally. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.